Welcome to Beautyistic, where we uncover the science behind products and explore what really works for your everyday routine. Today, I'm exploring something a little different from our usual skincare and makeup, but still incredibly important: oral care. I've got my hands on the Oral-B iO Series 7 electric toothbrush in White Alabaster, which comes with 2 replacement brush heads, a travel case, and a fast charger. This isn't just any toothbrush. It's marketed as Oral-B's most advanced technology, promising a deeper clean, healthier gums, and personalized guidance through its smart features. The iO Series 7 features a round brush head designed to reach areas that traditional rectangular brushes often miss. Its smart display lets you choose from 5 cleaning modes and tracks everything from brushing time to battery life. There's also an iO pressure sensor, unique to Oral-B, that alerts you if you're brushing too hard or too soft, helping protect your gums while ensuring an effective clean. Pair that with the AI-powered Oral-B app, which gives real-time feedback on your brushing, and you've got a toothbrush that aims to transform the way you care for your teeth. Using it in real life was surprisingly intuitive. The brush feels sleek in hand, and the motor is quiet yet powerful, giving a consistent vibration that really makes you feel like your teeth are getting a professional clean. The pressure sensor is genuinely helpful. I noticed I was brushing too hard in certain spots, and the gentle alert nudged me to adjust my technique. The app integration is a game changer for anyone looking to track their oral hygiene progress. It's almost like having a dental hygienist in your pocket. On the downside, it's a bit heavier than standard electric brushes, which might take some getting used to for those with smaller hands or sensitive wrists. One of the things I really appreciate is how easy it is to incorporate this into a daily routine. The fast 3-hour charger and travel case make it convenient for both home and travel, and swapping out the replacement heads is straightforward. The brush also delivers on the promise of a cleaner mouth. After a week of use, my gums felt noticeably healthier and my teeth smoother. The pros are clear: advanced smart features, effective plaque removal, gum protection, and convenience for travel. The cons are minimal but worth noting: slightly heavier design and a learning curve if you're new to smart toothbrush technology. When it comes to value, the iO Series 7 sits on the higher end of the electric toothbrush spectrum. However, considering the technology, real-time guidance, and dental benefits, it does justify the price for someone serious about oral care. Compared to other premium electric brushes, the iO stands out for its combination of pressure sensors and app integration, which not all brands offer at this level. The build quality feels premium, from the solid brush handle to the smooth, durable brush heads. Longevity seems promising, the battery life is excellent, and Oral-B has a strong reputation for quality support should any issues arise. If you're looking for alternatives, other electric brushes like the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart offer smart tracking and multiple modes, but they differ in brush head design and pressure feedback. For someone seeking the most dentist-recommended, precise clean, the iO Series 7 remains a strong contender. So here's the takeaway. The Oral-B iO Series 7 delivers advanced cleaning with technology designed to improve oral health quickly and effectively. It's ideal for anyone who wants guidance on brushing technique and is willing to invest in premium oral care. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, the link to purchase this toothbrush is in the comments or description box below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment and share your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.